Hello and welcome to the SkipperBud's virtual showroom here in Pewaukee. Here we are featuring a Barletta Cabrio 22 in the UC seating layout. This will feature an ultra lounger in the back. Up front here we have some really nice loungers, fit up to 2 to 3 people in each one. Removable cup holders on the sides there. And there is a nice place to put the cup holder when you're not using them. As we move through the midship, you will notice dual captain's chairs with high back helms. These are extremely comfortable for when it's just 2 people out on a drive, or just 2 people that want to be comfortable while you're riding across the water. As we move to the helm, this boat is equipped with a Lowrance Hook 5, a Hertz Bluetooth stereo, digital depth readout, digital hour meter, manual tachometer and speedometer. You also have your switches on the side to control lighting, and also your power bimini, which this boat features as a standard feature. As we move to the lounger, we see it is in the standard forward-facing position. You can also have it be rear-facing, and you can lay it flat if you so choose. All of your seats at the base flip up as well for multiple different seating configurations. You have lots of deck space in the back of the boat here, a ski tow with a flagpole holder, and this boat is equipped with a 150 horsepower outboard, Mercury. You can upgrade this motor if you so choose to. This boat is a beautiful option from Barletta and is here available at the Pewaukee showroom. So give us a call if you would like to come and check it out. Last note is the center Tri-Toon storage. Great for putting skis or wakeboards or just all your gear that you want kind of tucked out of the way.